Hi guys, today I'm doing a review of this Dragon Eggs egg decorating kit. This comes with several things that you see here, but it also comes with some wings and some color die tablets that I do not have laid out here. So let me go ahead and show you about these other pieces. So these right here are the egg wraparounds. You just tear them out here and then fold them around in a circle, and you would set your egg right in top. And then it's just a way to like set up your egg. Then you have these that are egg thrones. They're bendable, and let me show you what the rest of them look like. There's different colors here. You've got some pink, blue, yellow, several of these to work with. And then you also have the dragon face stickers you can put on the front of the eggs. It also comes with an egg dipper. You just fold it like this, you set your egg in it, and then you can dip it down into the die. And like I said, there are some wings that come with this kit and the colored die tablets that are not pictured here. Overall, this is a really great kit. We're actually planning to use the leftovers again this year because my son loved it so much. So if you have a child that you think would like this dragon egg decorating kit, then definitely check this one out.